Hey, so welcome to Bryan's Kitchen. So if you're like me, you're trying to find things to make and sometimes it gets tough. So I a lot of times just want to opt for a sandwich, but then my sandwiches get kind of boring. So I kind of taught myself this little recipe for a tapenade that I place on my sandwiches. And also, I also place it over this salmon dish, so I'm going to teach you how to do that as well. Super, super easy, but you will need a jar, or you'll need artichoke hearts. Like this many. How much is this? I don't know, half a cup maybe? It doesn't really matter. Don't worry about measuring. If you don't like artichoke hearts, I don't know what to say about that. There's probably something wrong with you. You may want to get that checked out. So, and then also about a fourth of a cup, half, maybe a little bit less of green olives. Okay, put these guys in here. And I'm using the NutriBullet, which I love. If you don't have one of these, obviously, if you don't have one of these, you can use a blender. And I also have a little clove of garlic. Boop, put that in there. And then I like it a little spicy. I like a little spicy tapenade. So I have this like red hot stuff that I'm also obsessed with, in addition to being obsessed with artichoke hearts. Just a couple squirts of that inside of there. And then you put the lid on the NutriBullet, the Magic Bullet, NutriBullet, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And then this is where it gets a little dicey, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of hard for this thing. Kind of like just do it a couple pumps. Then you always have to stop and shake it. And you usually get mildly frustrated about that, so you have a little beer. Helps the frustration. Mine's about, actually this looks good. Okay, so then you remove the lid, get your handy dandy spatula, come with me camera person, and then you just spread this on your sandwich. I have just turkey sandwich here. Actually, it's a buffalo chicken sandwich. And some Tillamook cheddar cheese, which comes from Oregon. It's this awesome cheddar cheese. They have it at Costco, by the way. That's a little tip. It's this extra sharp white cheddar cheese, Tillamook from Costco. It is thebomb.com. And then you can take that same tapenade, and this is a kind of a take on a dish that my dad used to make for us, but he didn't really do it quite like this, but whatever, kind of like this. And you put that on top of there, okay? This, you will make the foil like kind of a little teepee kind of thing, okay? And then put this in the oven. Oh boy, I don't even know how long. 15 minutes? 20 minutes at 375, like something like that? Let's do it 15, let's see how it looks. I'm not great with measurements, timings, temperatures. I just kind of wing it. But anyway, this takes your sandwich from dull to delicious. Now, it's also nice, it's much better than mayonnaise. Happy cooking, happy eating. Okay, I've taken the salmon out of the oven. It kind of looks a little bit like this. All right, this is a little tasty taste. Yeah, I think you're gonna like this. If you like olives, you like artichoke hearts, you like salmon, you're gonna like this. Super easy.